All right, let's check how to evaluate this. It says 16 over 54 all raised to the power negative 2 over 3. Now, if you check this 16 over 54, you see that it is not in its lowest term. So we can break it down first to its lowest term. So 2 in 16 will give us 8. And 2 in 54 will give us 27. So we now have 8 over 27 all raised to power 2 over 3. Now, coming down here, for us to remove this negative sign, we can introduce 1 as a number as the numerator and take all this to the denominator. But that is cumbersome. To make it easier for us, what you just need to do is to invert what is inside the bracket. You make 8 to become the denominator and you make 27 to become the numerator. So taking that as the inverse, once you do that as the inverse, you have 27 over 8, and automatically the negative power becomes positive. So you can see that the negative power here has become a positive power because you have inverted this part. Now the next thing to do is to give this external power to each of the fraction in the brackets. So this becomes 27 raised to power 2 over 3 and also 8 raised to power 2 over 3. Now what you need to do is to take this denominator and give it as the root of this. So it becomes the third root. Using this denominator now, we now have the third root of 27. Then everything will now be raised to the power of the numerator, which is 2. So we also do that to the denominator here. So it becomes the third root or the cube root of 8 all raised to the power of 2. And then we simplify further. The cube root of 27, that is the third root of 27, is 3. That is what we multiply 3 times. A number that will multiply itself 3 times to get 27, and that is 3. Then all raised to the power of 2 that we have here. Then everything divided by the cube root of 8 is 2. And then all raised to the power of these 2 outside here. That gives us 2. So 3 square is 9. And 2 square is 4. So that gives us the final answer as 9 over 4. So please, for more videos like this on the explanation of the content of my book from page to page and from chapter to chapter, please subscribe to this channel. Thank you.